and welcome to everywherechair.com. This video answers these questions. What is the difference between round stick versus flat stick director's chairs? And why are the replacement covers different lengths? Let's look at where the sticks are located on the director chair frame. And remember, these sticks go into the loops of the seats, not the backs. Round stick covers go into a wooden groove under the arm of the frame. It is usually cut by a router. This groove is typically round. The smaller opening at the top restricts the round stick so that the seat cover is unable to pull through. If this opening becomes worn or enlarged, be careful. The seat cover could jerk out. Likewise, if the dowel is too small, the seat could fall out. It may be necessary to increase the size of the dowel so that the opening is again restricted and the seat cannot pop out. Please note, there is no standard size for dowels used by chair manufacturers around the world. So you may want to keep the sticks that are currently with your chair. We only carry one size round dowel, which is 1/4 inch diameter. Sorry if we don't have your size, but there are just too many sizes of dowels for us to carry them all. Besides, your local hardware store has a wide selection if you need a different diameter or if you need a replacement dowel. Flat sticks are located towards the outside of the chair's legs. Usually there is a rectangular groove under the hinge for the arms. Sometimes round sticks have been used in this area. It seems to work fine. You know, you can't put a square peg in a round hole, but a round dowel will go into a square hole. You just want to be careful that the round dowel is not too small and can't spring out of the rectangular gap. We only carry one size of flat stick, which is a 9/16 by 1/4 wooden rectangle. Again, consider keeping your flat sticks just in case ours don't fit your frame. I have mentioned loops several times. If you don't have a clue what they are, please go watch the video, What is a Loop? Please remember, when shopping for replacement covers, look at dimensions and not the type of stick. Typically, flat stick seats will measure about 3 inches longer than round stick seats. The type of sticks do not tell the overall dimensions needed for your director chair covers. Measurements must be taken for the length and width of the seat and the length and the height for the back. Hope this helped. Thanks for your interest in everywherechair.com.